Let's go across to Mumbai, where Bollywood, we believe, has come out in support for Shah Rukh.
Kibani, I'm here at the Fun Cinemas, and Bollywood has suddenly come out in hordes. We already have Pooja Bedi and Father Kabir Bedi. Pooja, what brings you here? Don't you know that there's like this, scare that you might just be hit by certain things?
The only thing we were scared of is the fact that the film might not release. That was the only scare, because that was a threat to democracy. I'm really happy the film is released, and I'm even happier that it's house full. I'm so disappointed I didn't get tickets. That's the sad part. But the great part is that the cinema is house full. People are coming in droves to see this film. Yes, maybe occasionally somebody tried to pelt and throw some stones, but the police have been so effective, they've just slammed them and just sent them packing. So I don't think the people have to fear anything at all. The police is so effective. They have done such a fabulous job of keeping everyone away. I walked down the street. There was nobody with lathis. There was nobody with stones. It's fantastic. It's wonderful to just be in a theatre and know that there's so much support from the media. There's so much support from the fraternity. I believe a lot of people are already inside. And how fabulous that there are no tickets available. What a good sign.
A lot of people are also fearing that, if they come and there's so much police bandobast, you don't want to see a film like this, in tight security, when you know that even though if you're not named, your name might not be Khan, you'll still get, kicked. So that could be like...
I think the matter here currently is greater than the film. The matter is about democracy. The matter is about telling a certain outfit that they cannot have their way in the city all the time. It's not their city. It's not under their rule. I'm really grateful for Mr. Ashok Chavan actually standing up for the city. He's the only one that has really done so. He's the only one that's really put his neck on the line, who's been aggressive, who's tried to make things as smoothly functioning as possible. I wish that the centre also stands up and speaks a little more firmly, so that such outfits do not get the opportunity again in the future to find yet another reason to hold the city to ransom.
Okay, with you is your father Kabir. With you is Kabir, and didn't he tell you that, Pooja, okay, let's just take it to watch it another day?
I have to say one thing. I was actually not going to come today because I had so many agendas already planned. It's my father that actually said, no, Pooch, that's it. Cancel whatever you're doing. We are going. And we didn't have tickets. We just came on the hope that we'd get tickets.
So what are your thoughts on this?
My thoughts is I'm delighted it's a house full. I'm delighted we haven't got tickets because of the right reasons. I think pictures should release on Friday without trouble. We don't want peace. We don't want to oppose anybody. But if people trample on our democratic rights, on our fundamental right to exist and do and speak and do as we please without harming anybody, then that should be opposed.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your words, sir. So that was Pooja Bedi and Kabir Bedi coming out for the film. Obviously, they didn't get the tickets, but they're happy about it. Back to you, Bani.
Tuba.com